Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable or show asterisk in required field in ultimate member form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using ultimate member plugin. So this is our form and this is our required field, but don't show asterisk. Now back to WordPress dashboard. So we are in ultimate member setting and then you see multiple tabs. So click on advanced tab. So we are in general setting and then you see required field asterisk. Enable this option, show an asterisk for required field and then click on save changes and then you see message setting has been saved successfully. Now go to form page again and refresh the page. Now in form label you see asterisk. So this is our required field. Again you see asterisk icon. Then you see again. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.